Work zones are areas where roadside construction, maintenance, or utility work is happening, and they're not just random setups. They're carefully planned spaces with cones, signs, and barriers to create a safe environment for everyone involved. These zones serve several purposes. Work zones aim to keep everyone safe by organizing traffic flow, setting boundaries, and using warning signs to alert drivers. These zones are designed to protect workers from moving vehicles, guide traffic to reduce congestion, and keep valuable equipment secure. Roadside construction sites are bustling environments that pose several hazards and risks. One of the biggest dangers is vehicle intrusion. This happens when a car accidentally enters a work zone, often due to speeding, distracted driving, or poor visibility. The result: a major risk for the workers right in harm's way. In this case, the most important safety strategy is to set up sturdy barriers and clear signage to communicate the incoming change in traffic conditions. Next up, heavy machinery. These massive machines are essential for construction but come with serious risks. Workers are often at risk of getting caught in or struck by equipment as they work closely with these machines. Similarly, proper communication and barriers should be put in place to keep workers alert. Then we've got environmental hazards. Everything from uneven surfaces to bad weather. These factors make slips, trips, and falls all too common. Work zones need stable surfaces and regular site checks to keep the ground safe. One of the hardest parts of work zone safety is actually driver behavior. Speeding, distracted driving, and even road rage create an unpredictable and dangerous situation. That's why more work zones are using signs, cameras, and even police presence to slow drivers down and increase safety. Finally, reduced visibility can be a major issue. Poor lighting or harsh weather makes it easy for drivers to miss or misunderstand signs, leading to potential accidents. Setting up bright lights and reflective signs in work zones goes a long way in preventing these mishaps. Now, a key element of work zone safety revolves around training to control traffic and prevent hazards and risks. First up, the boundaries and entry points. Ever notice signs like "Work Zone Begins" or "Road Work Ahead"? These signs give drivers a heads up that they're entering a work zone, where traffic might be slower, lanes could shift, and unexpected obstacles might appear. Next, let's talk about traffic flow. In work zones, signs like "Left Lane Closed" or "Merge Right" keep everything organized and flowing. They're set up to prevent chaos and confusion, so everyone knows where to go and when to merge. Then, there's speed limits. Reduced speed signs in work zones are critical because they allow drivers to react to any changes in the road and give workers the space they need to do their jobs safely. Signs like "Reduce Speed" or "Speed Limit 35" aren't just suggestions. They help prevent severe accidents and make the area safer for everyone. In work zones, you'll also see signs warning you about specific road conditions like loose gravel or uneven surface. These signs alert you to adjust your driving. Then, there are end work zone signs. This one's important as it lets drivers know it's safe to return to normal speed in driving. Finally, many work zones have signs reminding you of penalties for traffic violations, like "Work Zone Fines Doubled." These signs reinforce the importance of caution and respect in these areas. Work zones are high-risk environments for both workers and passing drivers, so staying safe isn't just a priority, it's a necessity. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more safety tips and information.